The best universal remote can unify all your clickers, soundbar, Apple TV surround speakers, Blu-ray player, and so on into a single wand with buttons in a way that can almost feel magical. Some need to be programmed to use an IR blaster to control your media center's various components. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you find the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all of the featured products and their buying links. Our list begins with the RCA RCR503BZ Universal Remote. This universal remote can control up to 3 home theater components and enables direct access to HD over-the-air digital subchannels. This remote comes with easy-to-use keys with multicolored keypad, 2 AAA batteries sold separately. Plus, it is equipped with keys for TV, DVD or VCR, satellite receiver, cable box, or digital TV converter. Moreover, the palm-sized design makes the remote easy and comfortable to hold. Additionally, it simplifies device setup with automatic, manual, and direct code search methods. Next up on the list, we have the Interset INT422 Universal Remote. This universal IR remote is designed to work directly with the most popular streaming services. The 4 buttons at the top of the remote are pre-programmed for Apple TV, Xbox One, Media Center, and Roku so that you can use the remote immediately with these streaming devices. It has most of the features found only in high-end remotes, but at a fraction of the cost. Those features include volume and a channel lock, macros, custom button labels, key punch-through, full backlighting, and a huge built-in AV device database. You can easily assign any AV device such as your TV or cable box to the unused device buttons or program over any pre-programming. Up next on the list, we have the Logitech Harmony Companion. It works with Alexa to provide voice-activated controls for ultimate convenience. With this remote, you can control up to 8 different entertainment devices at once. Using the Harmony app, you can turn your iOS and Android smartphones or tablets into personal, universal remotes. It can combine up to 8 remotes and countless apps into one elegant, easy-to-use universal controller. You can set recordings, turn on the lights, or activate your devices while you're not home. You can also use Amazon Alexa to turn on your TV, select favorite channels, or trigger Harmony activities. Its streamlined button layout and full number pad make it a breeze to flip between content and devices. Plus, with the Harmony app, you can program your favorite channels, create multi-device activities, and enjoy control when you're away from home. Moreover, you can adjust the temperature on the Nest thermostat from your Harmony Home Control remote. The next product on the list is the Kavo Control Center Smart Remote. It is the first AI-powered universal remote that makes it easy to control everything connected to your TV with just one remote. This remote uses advanced machine vision to make the most powerful but simple distant on the planet. You can use the iOS mobile app to control your TV from your iPhone and put on a show from anywhere in your home or around the world. It is the first and only works with Sonos certified player for TV, allowing you to view and control Sonos on your TV. Besides, it automatically knows which device to use, searches all your apps, finds what you want, and plays it. Plus, this remote uses on-screen navigation guides to cut down on wasted time searching for your show or sorting through multiple apps or services to get what you want to watch. Meet up the all-new Logitech Harmony 665 Advanced Remote Control. This functional remote works with a range of devices, from basic cable to Apple TV, and it can combine up to 10 remotes in one versatile unit. It offers a one-button setup for easy incorporation with your entertainment system. The remote requires 2 AA alkaline batteries and has a low battery indicator that lets you know when the battery needs to be changed. Plus, it provides customizable 23 programmable buttons to jump right to your favorite channels. Additionally, this remote works with 270,000 plus devices, including Apple TV and Roku, so you'll have the control you need today and tomorrow. Last but not least, at the top of the list, we have the Logitech Harmony Elite Remote. It offers all-in-one control of up to 15 home entertainment and connected home devices. It allows easy control through closed cabinets or walls for flexible use, and it works with Alexa, and the Harmony mobile app supports the simple on-the-go operation. It is compatible with more than 270,000 devices, allowing control over a wide range of entertainment components and home automation devices. Also, the Harmony mobile app is available, which allows remote operation via a compatible mobile device, so you can control devices while you're out and about. Besides, it works with Alexa and Google Home and has a comfortable design for easy handling. Another advantage is that it supports mobile setup via your Bluetooth-enabled iPhone 4S or later, iPad 3rd generation or later, iPad mini, or iPod Touch 5th generation or later with an iOS 8.0 or then operating system. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to check the description down below to pick out the best universal remotes available in the market.